Hi guys, it's Miss Amber and welcome to our Grundy Library middle grade book talk. Today for our book talk, I'm recommending Kitchen Science. This was written by Shar Levine and Leslie Johnstone. And this book has a ton of really fun experiments. Some of my personal favorites in here was the one that had you making ice cream, the one that helped you learn what a penny is made out of, and I think my very favorite one was the one that had you growing a plant without a seed. There's a ton of different experiments and activities in here that you can do with things just laying around your kitchen. So I hope you check this out and get experimenting. We also have a lot of other books about experiments and STEM subjects at the Grundy Library. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you next time. Bye!